Well, let's begin with a big story this morning. A massive controversy has broken out after Nitin Gadkari compared the IQ of Swami Vivekanand with that of Dawood Ibrahim. While Congress General Secretary Digvijay Singh has demanded the RSS's response to the BJP president's comment, the RSS has said that it will not be drawn into this row.
तो विवेकानंद जी का आईक्यू और दाऊद इब्राहिम का आईक्यू अगर साइंटिफिक भाषा में बोलो तो दोनों समान था.
With this statement, Gadkari managed to shoot himself in the foot again, drawing criticism at the worst possible time when the pressure on him is growing to step down over corruption allegations.
It clearly demonstrates both the level of thinking and the mentality of the Bharatiya Janata Party.
Even some of his own party men are unhappy, worried about the party's image. Some have already made their point.
Controversial statement जो निकला है कि एक ही सांस में स्वामी विवेकानंद जी और दाऊद इब्राहिम के बारे में तुलना करना, हालांकि अब उन्होंने खंडन किया है कि मैंने तुलना नहीं की थी, उसका भी स्पष्टीकरण से मैं संतुष्ट नहीं हूं.
Digvijay Singh was quick to attack Gadkari over his controversial remark, drawing comparisons between Swami Vivekananda's IQ and that of underworld don and gangster Dawood Ibrahim, has asked RSS to respond.
अगर संघ की विचारधारा वही है जो नितिन गडकरी जी ने बयान दिया है, तो फिर संघ को इसके बारे में अपना स्पष्टीकरण देना चाहिए.
But on the face of it, the BJP leadership, despite the criticism, is backing its president on record.
RSS doesn't need any advice whatsoever from Mr. Digvijay Singh.
The RSS for now is refusing to be drawn into a controversy. But it's clear, the pressure is mounting on the BJP chief, and the second term he's seeking seems very distant, at least for now. Bureau Report, Times Now.